Wow, just so much to talk about, Keith. I tell you, a side shot. Um, there's always automotive news,
Yeah.
and even Bugatti, even being the VIP vehicle that they are, they still get a lot of press coverage. I mean, the average person cannot afford one of those things.
No.
This segment, you guys, is just gonna be. It might be the most painful video segment I've ever done.
Okay, so
go ahead and just put that on record.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's just get right to it. You ready?
Sure.
But it'll work.
Have you revealed it yet?
He's looking at a picture of it right here, sort of.
Okay,
He's looking at the headline.
So the news story is, and if you're a Costco member, this will be very useful to you. So pay attention, Costco members. Bugatti now has a two-wheeled, run-flat tires scooter that has the Bugatti name on it. Bugatti has authorized it and are allowing Costco to sell this through their chain of warehouse stores out there. And you can get this thing for as little as $920. What do you think about that?
Bugatti scooter.
He's looking at pictures of it here. It looks like I can see it in three different colors.
Half and half.
You want to go see?
Yeah.
I knew we're not even 2 minutes into this, and the negotiations have started.
Right. There's a few colors. There's red, but there's Agile blue and silver, but it's only on BugattiScootersNA.com website, and it's $1,200 over there for getting it directly from Bugatti. And I think that's kind of a planned thing by Bugatti.
Yeah, it's a special, right?
Absolutely. Give Costco their. Now, I will say this: I've been into Costco and I look for a display, and I do not see any on display yet.
It'd be shipping only. Now, as I go and look at their website right now, it is not on Costco's website.
No, it's interesting. I don't know where this is going to go. We're going to find that link, and we're going to put that link on there. But anyway, it says that no longer is Bugatti strictly for millionaires.
Oh, no, just found it.
Did you?
Yeah, move your hand, side shot. $919. Wait, everybody. Oh, now this is weird.
But it includes shipping and handling too. By the way,
click on the link though, and then okay. Let me try to do a better job of explaining this.
I can say this. You click on the little picture of the scooter with like the name under it.
It's in the search results.
Yes, when you search for it and when you click on it, you know how it's supposed to bring up maybe more pictures of it and details and options and buy now or add to cart or whatever. It's just like, this product does not exist.
Yeah, pretty good observer. So we're going to have to get back to that. And they said, by the way, it's black is the color that they will be selling at Costco, not red. So I stand corrected there. But if you want the blue, the Agile blue and silver, you can go to BugattiScooterNA.com. Have you tried that site?
No, we'll hit that next here in just a second. Now, when we brought this up, you and I talked about this yesterday, Jay, and the initial specs, it's like, yeah, that's kind of average scooter stuff. Like Sideshot has a what model Segway do you have? It's a two-wheeled kick scooter. It's electric. It's a nice one. It was a Christmas.
It's like a Segway 9-bot, like 7 or 9.
It's got cruise control. It's got
wow.
a really high end. Like you can change all the lights and make it disco ball underneath.
But it's not a Bugatti.
It'll do what? What's the top speed? 15. So this one will do 18 and a half.
Yep.
Range is about the same as yours, although you can strap an extra battery on.
Is this correct on the weight though, Keith? It says the frame is made from a magnesium alloy and has a maximum weight capacity of 242 pounds.
Yeah, and
it only weighs 35 pounds. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. That's about average for most of them. Now,
and it folds up just like everything else. Seems like
where this is ridiculously cool is number one, those run flat tires that you mentioned. Although I don't know how you're going to source those after you go through your first pair. somebody's got to make them.
I'm sure.
And then
Bugatti.
The
Yeah.
projected logo on the ground in
Yeah.
LED lighting, where it projects the Bugatti logo behind you.
That's awesome.
That's ridiculous.
It is. And you get 20 to 25 miles range out of this thing. Is that about?
I mean, that's
is that about average?
It's about 5 miles further than most. But again, like on his Segway, if you strap on a second battery pack, you'll get 40 miles. So
I do love though how the rear end of this thing, the tail light, looks like a Bugatti. It's awesome. I love how they took that, and then of course they're showing the 3 different colors here: the Agile blue and the silver and the black.
So I'm now on that Bugatti website that you sent me to. It's got a lot of more details. It's got a.
It has a bell.
It has a safety bell, little ding ding bell. It's a 10.4 amp hour, 36 volt lithium ion battery. Do they have the option to buy it here though? I don't see that. So this may be coming soon. I mean, it's clearly either about to be for sale or they're just out of stock.
Yeah.
Regardless of that, folks, if you want to get one of these for yourself or just to say you've got a Bugatti, which that's probably what I would do. I would probably buy one of these. I just got a Bugatti just to have that, and then when someone comes over, I show them my scooter.
Yeah.
But we'll make sure that we have some links, some active links that are working, and where you can go buy that. Now remember, you have to be a Costco member to buy from Costco online. So that is a annual membership fee if you're not already. You'd be crazy not to have a Costco membership.
Right.
Anyway.
And we did confirm here that you can get it from Bugatti on that website that we'll put a link to. But it, like Jay said, it's $1,200, so it's quite a bit more than the Costco price, right?
Yeah. Yeah, but wouldn't you like to have a invoice from Bugatti for your Bugatti instead of a Costco?
I mean,
just kind of, I'd pay $300 for that.
Hey, everybody, please make sure you subscribe to the program so that we can go out and
we'll do a review on it. So just please subscribe.
Yeah,
we'll do a review on it. So I don't know when you're getting that side shot, but it sounds like you're getting it.
Oh no.